In this class we will learn how to use the command circular pattern, which creates circular repetitions of entities, speeding up the creation of pieces with these characteristics. The options of this command are similar to the command linear pattern, seen in the previous class, only what changes is the reference required for repetition. Come on, let's go. With the available template open, we activate the command circular pattern. We select the features shown to repeat. For the repeating reference, we select the edge shown. For the angle we leave 360 degrees, we activate the option equal spacing, and for the number of repetition entities we enter 4. Observe the preview. See that this command also allows you to select features, solid faces or bodies to apply repetition. Select instances to be ignored when applying the instances to skip command, propagate visual properties. And choose to copy or reapply repeating entities via the geometry pattern. We chose to copy, so we activated this option and then confirm the command. Using this other model, also available in class, we will apply a circular repetition in a rectangular geometry. To do this, we must first create a reference axis. To create the axis, we access the Insert, Reference Geometry, Axis menu. We select the face and point shown and we have the preview of the axis. We've confirmed command. Then we activate the command circular pattern and select the feature in the graphic area. For the repeating axis, we select the created axis. We type 10 for the number of copies and keep the angle as 360 degrees. We enable the geometry pattern and propagate visual properties options, and confirm the command. Alright. We learn how to use the circular pattern command and its options, creating circular repetitions easily. Explore this command by familiarizing yourself with your application.